Hi, today I'll be making sweet sour fish. I'm using pomfret fish. Okay, we'll start by slicing the fish so that when you marinate, it gets into the skin. Just make slices there and then you turn it over, and the other side also do the same thing. Now that we have sliced the fish, we will marinate and leave it aside for a while. I'll now be marinating this fish. I have here some water, say about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. I'll add about 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have here spring onions, the stem of it, and about 1 inch of ginger, but if you squeeze them you won't get much juice from them, so I'm going to pound it to extract the juice. Give it a quick pound. And put it back into the salted water. You can smell the fragrance there. Okay, now what we do is just squeeze it to get out more of the essence. So we will rub it against this fish here. We'll turn it over. We'll turn it over and do the same thing. Get the juice out into the fish. Okay, now that you have rubbed in the juice, we'll put all the spring onions, ginger into its stomach here and let it sit for about 10 minutes. We'll now coat the fish with corn flour. Just put it into all the crevices. Both sides, turn it over. Or you don't need the ginger and garlic inside. You can take them out. You don't need them. Okay, once coated, we can fry it up, fry the fish up. Let's go and fry them. I'll be frying the fish now, so let's add in some oil first. As you can see, we're using a lot of oil because we're going to deep fry the fish. To test whether it's hot, we dip in a wooden stick and see if there are bubbles. You can see bubbles, so the oil is hot. And so now put in the fish. I'm going to put the fish inside now to fry. We let it fry on its own. I'll now turn the fish over to fry on the other side. Crispy brown. So we'll wait for the other side to be cooked. The fish is already fried. We shall take them out now. Up the fire as well. Let the oil come out and I'll put it into the plate. We shall now make the sauce. I'll take 2 tablespoons of oil, the same oil that you fried the fish. Okay. Okay, we shall fry the garlic first. Sorry, it's ginger, not garlic. And after the ginger, we shall put in about 3 cloves of garlic. If once you can smell the fragrance and it's a little bit brownish, you can add in the tomato sauce, around 8 tablespoons of them. Just swish it around for a while. Add in some water, about 1 cup of water. Then add in 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can use either white or brown, it doesn't matter. You then add in your tomatoes and your cucumber. You may also add in pineapple if you like. You add in 6 tablespoons of vinegar. You then add in half teaspoon of salt. Thicken the sauce, the tomato sauce, will add in slurry corn flour. It is still thick, so I'll add in the rest of it. According to your taste, how thick you like it. This is just nice for my liking. So once it starts boiling, you can off the whole thing. Now pour the sauce over the fish slowly. Just cover the whole fish in sauce. And for garnishing, we shall use some spring onions.